Marketplace CCN, which is brought to you by Danfoss. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Now, before we begin today, I just read a tweet on Twitter that I'd like to share with you. Elon Musk has confirmed that he's entering the residential HVAC market. Tesla's developing a system that can heat and cool individual homes. I know that he said this before, but he did reveal that it has a HEPA filter to clean the air and potentially create clean water. Now, he didn't say when it will be available, when it's being released, unfortunately, so we're just going to have to wait and see. Now, Toshiba has prepared a shortlist of suitable bidders that will proceed to the second round. Japanese media reported yesterday that 4 bidders have been invited to conduct due diligence over the next few months. The 4 private equity firms that have been selected are Bain Capital, CVC Capital Partners, Japan Industrial Partners, and Brookfield Asset Management. Sources close to the deal said Toshiba will make a decision based on price, the enhancement of corporate value in the medium and long term, financing arrangements, and the transaction would have to satisfy Japan's national security and competition laws. Okay, Danfoss has signed an agreement to divest the business in Russia and Belarus to the local management. The transaction will close in September, and Danfoss will no longer operate in those countries. The decision is, of course, due to the war in the Ukraine. Now, some of the industry's biggest companies are losing their most senior executives or appointing new CEOs. These include Daikin, Johnson Controls, Smardt Chillers, and Emerson. Johnson Controls has confirmed that 38-year company veteran Jeff Williams is retiring, and a search is underway to find a successor to lead the company's global products business. Over at Daikin Americas, the president and CEO Mike Schwartz will retire at the end of August. Now, Schwartz has been in this role since 2011. During that time, he's increased manufacturing capacity by 75%. He's actually doubled the employee base throughout North, Central, and South America. Schwartz made record revenues the norm, which is why he was appointed to the Daikin board in 2019. In fact, he's actually tripled revenues from 2011 to 2022. Emerson Climate Technologies has appointed a new president for Europe, that's Sandro Matic, and Smardt Chillers have appointed Ashraf Abdallah as its new CEO. Now, Abdallah was previously with York International and Johnson Controls as vice president of its global chiller business. Now, in product news, Climalife has released the Cool Gauge, which monitors heat transfer fluids in cooling systems. Cool Gauge provides greater visibility and control while minimizing energy use. In open or closed systems, Cool Gauge provides instant notification if heat transfer fluid levels fall too low, putting an end to system failures. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Danfoss. Thank you for watching.